In this video, we break down the top 5 best air fryer for steaks you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best air fryer for steaks on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best air fryer for steaks are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number one choice is Ninja AG301 Foodi Electric Grill Air Fry. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen appliance that can replace multiple devices while still delivering top-notch performance, the Ninja AG301 Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Electric Grill is a total game changer. Whether you're short on counter space or just love cooking with convenience, this all-in-one indoor grill is a true powerhouse. What makes the Ninja AG301 really stand out is how many cooking methods it packs into one compact unit. Grill, char-grilled flavor indoors with adjustable temperature control. Air fry, crispy food with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. Roast, tender meats and veggies, perfect for a quick dinner. Bake, yes, you can bake in this thing. Think cookies, breads, even pizza. Dehydrate, homemade snacks like fruit chips or jerky with ease. For people who don't want 5 separate gadgets taking over their kitchen, this is a dream come true. One of the standout features is the indoor grilling capability. With the cyclonic grilling technology and 500 degrees Fahrenheit heating, it really delivers that authentic char-grilled flavor, minus the smoke and outdoor hassle. The grill marks are legit, and it handles everything from burgers and steaks to salmon and skewers like a champ. And yes, it works great year-round, rain or shine. The air fryer basket works just as well as standalone air fryers I've tried. Crispy fries, crunchy chicken wings, even reheating leftovers, everything turns out crisp without being greasy. Plus, it heats up super quickly, which saves time and energy. Our second best air fryer for steaks is Instant Vortex Plus Multi-Use Air Fryer. If you're on the hunt for a powerful, versatile, and family-sized air fryer, the Instant Vortex Plus 10-quart 7-in-1 multi-use air fryer might just be your new kitchen MVP. From the makers of Instant Pot, this model brings air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, reheating, and rotisserie into one sleek appliance, and it delivers on every front. The 10-quart size is generous and fits a whole chicken with ease, thanks to the built-in rotisserie function. The result? Juicy, golden, evenly cooked meat with crispy skin, just like your favorite grocery store, but fresher and with your own seasonings. Plus, it's a great party trick. The sleek black and silver exterior looks sharp on the countertop. You can easily adjust time and temp manually, or rely on the presets for quick start cooking. The see-through window with an interior light is a surprisingly useful touch. It lets you monitor progress without opening the drawer and letting heat out. All accessories, the drip pan, cooking trays, rotisserie basket, and spit, are removable and dishwasher safe. The interior wipes down easily, and there's minimal splatter thanks to smart airflow design. Air fry, crispy fries, wings, or veggies with little to no oil. Number 3 in our list is COSORI 9-quart Dual Air Fryer. If you're in the market for a versatile family-sized air fryer that can handle multiple dishes at once, the COSORI 9-quart 10-in-1 Dual Air Fryer is a true game changer. One of the standout features of this model is its two 4.5-quart baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different foods at different settings simultaneously. Whether you're air frying chicken in one basket and roasting vegetables in the other, or simply making 2 portions of the same food, the Sync Cook and Sync Finish features ensure both are ready at the same time. It's a lifesaver for busy weeknights. The COSORI 9-quart model was clearly designed with families in mind. Large 9-quart capacity serves 3 to 5 people easily. Quieter motor for a peaceful cooking experience. No jet engine noise. Safe, cool touch handles for added protection around kids. Fourth recommendation in our side is CHEFMAN ExacTemp Air Fryer. If you're looking for a powerful, spacious, and intelligent kitchen appliance, the CHEFMAN ExacTemp trademark 12-quart 5-in-1 air fryer checks all the boxes. This is more than just an air fryer. With 5 major cooking functions, air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and reheat, you can handle a wide range of meals. Whether you're crisping up fries, baking cookies, dehydrating fruit, or roasting a whole chicken, it's got you covered. And the 28 touchscreen presets? Super convenient. They take the guesswork out of everything from frozen pizza to shrimp. Just tap and go. The rotisserie function is a fan favorite. It turns out evenly roasted, juicy meat every time. It's ideal for whole chickens, kebabs, and more. The included accessories, rotisserie spit, forks, and retrieval tool make it a breeze to use, and cleanup is surprisingly easy. One of the most impressive features is the integrated smart thermometer, which ensures your meats are cooked to precise internal temperatures. Say goodbye to overcooked chicken or underdone roasts. It's especially useful when using the rotisserie function, something you don't find on most air fryers. The auto shutoff feature gives peace of mind, especially for busy households. Plus, the large, clear touchscreen is easy to navigate and very responsive. Last in our top 5 best air fryer for steaks list is Emeril Lagasse Extra Large Door Air Fryer. If you're serious about cooking and want an all-in-one appliance that replaces several kitchen gadgets, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is worth every inch of its generous footprint. With 24 cooking functions, a sleek stainless steel finish, and a cavernous 26-quart capacity, this oven is designed to be the centerpiece of your countertop culinary setup. This machine does way more than air fry. From toasting and roasting to baking, dehydrating, slow cooking, proofing dough, and even rotisserie cooking, it handles everything. Some standout features: air fry, crispy results with way less oil. Pizza, perfectly melts and crisps crust. Bake, roast, great for casseroles or sheet pan dinners. Reheat, way better than a microwave. Rotisserie, restaurant quality chicken at home. The digital controls are intuitive, with an easy-to-read display and preset buttons that eliminate guesswork. Cleanup is easier than expected. The stainless steel interior wipes clean quickly, and the crumb tray catches most messes. Accessories are also simple to wash by hand.